In the heart of Europe, where mountains stand tall like guardians of history, lies the Carpathian Biosphere Reserve. This natural sanctuary, spanning across several countries and prominently featured in Romania, is home to a fascinating array of plants and animals and landscapes that seem straight out of a fairy tale. From the impressive brown bears to the agile grey wolves and the elusive Eurasian lynx, the Carpathians are a haven for species that have vanished from other parts of Europe. However, this haven is not only a refuge for wild animals, but also a symbol of the close relationship between humans and nature. The Carpathians are a complex web of ecosystems. In its deep beech and coniferous forests, where sunlight barely reaches the ground, lives the majestic brown bear, a symbol of resilience and adaptation. With a population of over 6,000, these mountains hold the largest concentration of brown bears in Europe. These large mammals roam vast territories in search of berries, roots and small prey, playing a crucial role in spreading seeds and keeping the ecological balance in check. In spring, females emerge from their dens with their cubs, offering a heartwarming and challenging sight as the young cubs must quickly learn to survive. In the same habitat, grey wolves, known for their intelligence and social organization, hunt in perfectly coordinated packs. These predators are not only formidable hunters, but also examples of strong family ties and group solidarity. Although historically persecuted, today in the Carpathians they are protected, playing a key role in regulating herbivore populations. In the shadows of these same forests lurks the Eurasian lynx, a stealthy and solitary hunter. This feline uses its natural camouflage to stalk its prey, launching swift attacks that rarely fail. Its presence, although discreet, is a testament to the good health of the ecosystem. But the Carpathians are not just a refuge for large predators. Among its inhabitants are the red deer, whose roars echo through the forests during autumn, marking the start of the mating season. These herbivores are essential to the ecosystem, as their grazing directly influences the structure of the forest. They are joined by wild boars, which, with their varied diet of roots, fruits and small invertebrates, turn over the forest floor, helping it to regenerate. In the skies of the Carpathians, the golden eagle watches from above, spreading its majestic wingspan in search of prey such as hares and small mammals. This bird of prey is not only an efficient predator, but also a symbol of strength and freedom. As night falls, owls take over, silently patrolling with their deep hoots, hunting mice, shrews and even smaller birds. In the rivers and wetlands, otters gracefully glide, hunting fish in crystal-clear waters. We also find beavers, ecosystem engineers that transform their environment by building dams, creating habitats for many other species. These waters are also home to unique amphibians such as the alpine newt, adapted to the cool, humid conditions of the mountains. The small inhabitants of the Carpathians are equally important. Butterflies like the Apollo, a key indicator of ecosystem health, fly over the alpine meadows in spring and summer. This endangered insect finds a vital refuge in the Carpathians. Wild bees, essential for plant pollination, play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. The primeval forests of the Carpathians, some of the last in Europe, are true green lungs. These ancient forests, with their centuries-old trees, store carbon and help mitigate climate change. Above the tree line, alpine meadows bloom in an explosion of colours covered in gentians and edelweiss, offering food and shelter to pollinators and insects. However, the Carpathians face significant threats. Illegal logging endangers these ancient forests, while climate change is disrupting the life cycles of many species. Local communities who have lived in harmony with this environment for generations now face drastic changes that challenge their way of life. Despite this, international conservation efforts have made significant progress, connecting protected areas through ecological corridors that allow animals to move freely. The Carpathian Biosphere Reserve is not just a place of breathtaking beauty, but a reminder of the human impact on the planet and our responsibility for the future. From the mighty brown bear to the elusive lynx, every creature in this ecosystem plays a vital role. Exploring the Carpathians is much more than a visual experience. It's a chance to reflect on our connection with nature and our duty to protect it. This European treasure shows us that conservation is not just a task, but a legacy we must preserve for generations to come.